Gold prices are surging this year, and that has one of Wall Street's largest banks flocking to the yellow metal. JP Morgan recommended that its clients position for a very new and very long bull market for gold. So when the banks start getting positive, should investors worry? Joining us now on Kitco's Gold Report is Frank Holmes of U.S. Global Investors. Frank, good to see you again.
Good to be with you.
So JP Morgan now saying they see 1,400 as a possibility for gold, and Goldman Sachs, which was very bearish gold, has also upped its forecast for the metal by 10% to, they're saying, about 1202 in 2016. So what does this signal, Frank?
Well, I think both those banks, in particular JP Morgan, has a big prime broker business. In prime broker business, a lot of hedge funds keep all their assets with that prime broker. And so they're seeing and witnessing a lot of money going to the GLD. After the Sohn Investment Conference hedge fund event took place last week, nothing but creates a new high in the number of new shares of money flowing into the GLD. So that's very important, and I think that they're saying the trend is your friend.
So should investors start to get worried when the banks get bullish, though, Frank?
No, I don't think it's really an opinion from an analyst, per se, as just tracking the money flows of their prime brokerage business of people taking a position.
So in the interview with CNBC, JP Morgan's Solita Marcelli said that gold could replace sovereign bonds as the preferred safe haven among investors. Do you agree?
Well, I think if we get to a great stress level, yes, I think no doubt gold is going to play a more important role as governments around the world on a regular basis devalue their country's currencies and are trying to force people to credit cards only. Taking away paper money, and then eventually it'll be gold. So you're still seeing record silver sales. I was at the Money Show this week in Las Vegas. It's a big retail event with many high-quality speakers, and it's interesting to hear this thesis on people buying silver coins just in case paper money starts to be removed.
Well, Frank, we're seeing gold on the move again this Wednesday to the upside. Where do you see it moving from here, Frank?
Well, this historically in the month of May, it corrects and we get a bottom in June. And so I think the big factor for the listeners is the real interest rates, what's happening. And that touchdown pass this week is going to be important in identifying what's going to happen with inflation. So we start seeing PPI rising higher, then we could turn around and see gold trade up.
All right, well, you beat me to it. I was going to ask you what your touchdown pass was going to be this week. Frank, thanks so much for being with us.
Great to be with y'all.
And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll see you tomorrow.